What would be the place of supply of service provided by a event management company for organizing or sporting event for sports federation which multiple states? So the event is organized by who? Sports federation, where multiple places. The place where the sporting activity is conducted is the place of supply. I bought tickets somewhere online and I am here to watch that. Whether I am a registered person in different state, but I came to this state to watch this. Either IGST or CGST, SGST. It is CGST, SGST, not IGST. It is not intra. It is not interstate. It is interstate. Wherever you registered yourself, but you the location of the place of activities, location, the way, place of sporting event that conducted will be the place of business, place of supply that will be said in section 12.7. As per the explanation section 12.7 of IGST Act, in the case of an event, a recipient of service is registered. The place of supply of service is organizing the event in the location of such person. Register the place of supply of service of organizing the event is a location of such a person. However, the recipient is not registered. The place of supply is a place the event is held. Since the event is being held in multiple state and the consolidation amount is charged for such service, and the place of supply will be taken as being of each state in proportion to the value of service to be provided. So this is a slightly different. What happened is sporting federation may charge a single amount for all the tickets. All the season tickets they will charge. You will pay 1 lakh. You can watch all the ticket. All the then what happened is it's not a event organizer is selling the ticket. The federation is selling the ticket. When the federation is selling the ticket, that becomes uh, so bulk. It's bulk. So you can't say that that is the total. You can't say that's interested. That comes the point of registration. The register. I'm a registered person. I'm getting the federation all season ticket. The season ticket will be if I'm a registered person. The place of supply is to IGST. I'm a registered person in Delhi. I get the season ticket from Chennai. Season ticket, na, so it is totally different. And now Chennai, so it's IGST service. But when if I'm getting only to specific event, it will be interested. So it's this question they are speaking about season tickets. Okay.